Interface SOLIDWORKS varies by adding, removing toolbars. Click right mouse button on any panel, activate drop down menu, and select the panel, maybe some dim expert. You can drag and drop paint, grabbing and holding onto the vertical ellipses. Drag to any location. Vertical ellipses. Click left mouse button and hold in another place. Here, maybe here or here. And drop. And close. Easy by going to the drop down view menu. View, toolbar change, composition, display, view, on interface you can change the setting by going to the setting level or throughout the black triangle on the option. That's the option, that's black triangle, and activate command option. Okay. In any case, it is possible to reset and restore the factory setting and interface. Let's click a reset. Reset or don't reset. So many properties. Configure.